Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, for today's embroidery work, I'm going to do a very simple design which you can also try. So I have already made the drawing and now I'm going to use black anchor thread. All my threads are from Anchor company. I like their threads much better. And for the first design, I'm going to use backstitch. And it is just as shown. I don't know how to explain it. I guess I have already made a video about types of stitch, and there you can learn the backstitch because it is one of the most used stitch according to me, because I have myself used it so many times to make outlines of drawing, or to make a letter, to make a sentence. So it's very handy. Whenever making a curve, always make sure you take very small sections, otherwise it will look very weird, and with small sections the curve looks very neat and proper. So that is what we need. So remember to take very small sections, and if there's a straight line like this part, well, you can take not too wide but just half a centimeter. That would give a very nice look to it. So that was all the information about this design. I will later explain the rest when I reach there. Until then, let me know how are you all. I don't know why I cannot continue a sentence without getting jumbled up. I get tongue twisted. But anyway, how are you all? How was your week? It was just a week, but I still feel like it's been so many days, like almost a month. Maybe because I posted a dance video last week and there wasn't any interaction as such, but in my other videos at least I say hi, welcome to my channel. Well, I guess I'm liking that kind of interaction where I have to say very little yet I'm able to convey something to all of you. Like, there's so many people out there, though I don't have many views on my channel, but at least 100 is quite a lot of numbers, to be honest. So I'm enjoying it. I sounded so introvert, but to be honest, I'm not. I'm somewhere between extrovert and introvert. Well, there's a word for it to explain, but because of my bad vocabulary skills, I really don't remember it. So I will pretend I never said that about myself, but okay. Well, we have reached the eyes section. So for this one I have done a satin stitch. I have also explained it in that embroidery video. You can learn it from there. Also, if your thread finishes halfway, then don't worry, you can just tie up a new one and then start stitching again. My outline is finished. Now I will move on with the other designs. I'm using this little artist from Agile. This is a brush pen. One side has a Mota Sarwala pen and the other one is a very brush like pen. That is why it is called brush pen. Oh god, such a terrible explanation. Well, moving on from the roasting session of Koel Murmu by Koel Murmu, I will explain you the other designs that I am making. Well, this girl was actually taken from Pinterest and it was a digital design, but there wasn't any mention of an artist, so I could not give any credit to them. But you can find it on Pinterest. I will give the link if you want to draw this girl. And she was really cute, so adorable that I could not resist myself from making it. And I have made sure she has tomato like cheeks. I love blush. If you are following my YouTube, you probably know how much I love applying blush, so I have made sure she has a big one and she looks cute, so we will ignore how big it is and we will move on to the second design, which is this phrase, be kind. that I have written. I had this imagination that it would look good over a brushstroke kind of effect, so I gave it with the sketch pen, and on top of it I'm using lavender color thread to write it. But then I also realized that this color wasn't really visible. Not, I mean, it's visible, but it's not, vibrant enough to look good in combination with all the other designs. So I thought I would give it a neon effect. You probably have seen those quotations written in a cafeteria with neon lights, and it looks so cool. So I thought I would give that effect to it, and for that I used purple color sketch pen because it was darker shade of the same thread, and that is how the neon colors really look. So you can say that it was totally an experiment which turned out very well according to me. I really loved it. Do let me know how you like this effect or not. Till I complete this design, let us get back to our conversation. Well, we were talking about spending the week. Well, my week was totally crazy. I have never been so busy in my life. To begin with, on Monday I had an exam. Also, it was my last exam, so I was kind of relieved. But then later that day I went to meet my childhood friend. It was her birthday. Also, she happens to be my sister. She is so special to me, and I met her almost after 2 years, and I was as excited as a puppy with a wagging tail. Yes, you can imagine. So that was about Monday, and then on Tuesday I went to meet my school friends. So two of my school friends live nearby, and they called me to join them for morning walk. Yes, that was the actual purpose of meeting. They called me to join them for a walk, and trust me, I think it's way better than meeting at a club or partying with your friends. I mean, it is such a healthy choice to make, and it was so much fun. On the third day I went to meet my another set of friends that is from a university, and I am so lucky to be able to make wonderful friends at every stage. I think friends are a very important part of your life. So now the only set of friends left are my college friends. I hope I meet you all very very soon, and I really miss you all. Now moving on with the design, I have made few hearts on the side because it was looking so khali sada type. So I think now it looks much better. Later I also colored the t-shirt, which made the overall look very nice and very adorable. And tada! It is all done. I think it looks very cute. It is so adorable. After finishing everything else like coloring the frame, I colored it brown. I think it was matching the cloth earlier, and now it looks so much better. And on top I have added this thread. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye, love you.